Robert, huge congratulations. A great victory there for Team Austria against Malaysia. Tell us how the team got on this morning.
We was quite okay, good prepared. We knew it's a difficult game. I mean, they have very good players that we doesn't know so many times. We didn't see them so many times, but we knew that they can play very good table tennis. We saw some videos. Likely Danny could win first match. He was 2-1 up, 10-8 down. He served, so finally he won 13-11. It was a big step for us. And after I could manage, after losing the first set, I was leading. Finally I lost, and after he started amazing the second set, but I could come back, I could stay calm and just play my game. Finally I could win the second set, and I think this was the key. After this I become better and better, and I could win. And on 2-0, normally our number 3 against their number 3, we knew we are now in a good way. And we could reach 3-0, it's for us a big step. Normally we should be out of the group, but of course we want to make the first place to qualify directly to the main draw. Hopefully it can be happening tomorrow.
Obviously this is your 24th World Championships, so how special is it for you to compete here in the 100th year of the ITTF World Championships?
I mean, all World Championships are special. I like to play big tournaments, and team events I like more. So I enjoy quite much. I mean, here speak everybody English, it's quite easy to understand us, and it's nice. I've been here 2012 on the Olympic Games. They made a great organization, maybe similar like Beijing 2008. They also were the perfect World Olympic Games. So I like to be here. It's a very comfortable country and city, and we are very happy that we are here. And the people are very nice. All the volunteers, I think, very helpful. So it's quite nice to be here, and big motivation.